Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Walkway Tours. We're here in Marmaris. Just going to take a little quick walk along the promenade, I guess, and then you've got the beach here. So we're going to take a walk up to the boats. See Wagwan. Maybe get some prices. We did the prices one last time, so we'll see if there's a change. They've gone up in price because it was out of season when we first came. But yeah. I doubt it's changed. Yeah. How's it going, mate? You alright?
Yeah.
These are from our hotel. Yeah. All the boats out. Let's get in front of everybody. Afternoon, guys. You alright? So yeah, let's get down to the bottom.
Okay, it feels really hot today.
Oh, so this is a girls only part of the beach. No men allowed here. Just girls only. There you go, the boats out. Quite a lot of boats actually, compared to our one that we did back in May. There's loads more boats out. But there's more people there.
They've probably already gone out.
I mean, when we was here in May, this beach was dead. There was nobody on it, so obviously it's summer, high season. All the flags are down actually. There was a load of flags up, Turkish flags, back in May. They've all come down. There guys, if you can all like, share and comment, that'd be really great. Press that notification button, ring the bell as they say. And yeah, you can keep up to date with all of our videos as and when they come out. Because I think from this series we're going to be releasing 2 a day. From about the 12th of September, there's going to be quite a lot coming out. We need to get this content out quite quickly. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, ring the notification button so you can keep up to date and be notified when we release our videos. But yeah, Marmaris is a stunning location. We love it. It's our second time here. Next year we're coming back. There's a lot to offer for us. I find it just like Greece, same like Greece, the way I love Greece, but it's exactly the same region, so I guess that's why I like it so much. People, just as friendly. I still think the Greek hospitality wins, but the Turkish hospitality is right up there. So yeah, you got the old Marmaris sign right here. This will be the thumbnail, I guess. This lady's gonna get in my way. She's gonna be in the thumbnail now. Perfect. She's a part of the thumbnail. So yeah. Well, it was me saying that we're going to go and check the prices. Well, we can check the prices, but none of the boats are in, so obviously they're all out. Duh. It's just coming up for... Let's have a look at the time, actually. Let's do a temperature check for you. It is 11:30. Well, I can't do a temperature check because I've got no internet. But it's about 34 degrees, I'd say. That's what internal thermometer is telling me. Screen is all the way back there. Taking a picture of the Marmaris sign that we've got like 4 of already. So let's fill up our Google storage with more pictures that we've already got. Ice cream man does the waffles as well. I think I had one for me last time. It was really nice. I had a pistachio with chocolate and everything. Hello, mate. I've noticed there's no lockers. You've got toilets, disabled access, but no lockers like you have in Mallorca. You'd have on the umbrella, you'd have a locker just underneath it where you can store your stuff, but not here. I guess, you know, if crime's quite low here, then why would you even need it? But in Mallorca, maybe crime's a lot more, eh? I've noticed in Muslim countries, crime is quite low on the theft side. Everything's quite cheap anyway. But let me know if you've had any issues. I've experienced none. In Dubai, it's going to be one of the places where you can leave anything. Just put your phone down, walk off, come back a couple of hours on, and it'll be in the exact same place. In Jamaica, they used to cut your hand off for theft. And that's a Christian country. So it's not just Muslim countries with strict laws. It's roasting. Look at the sweat. Whew. So you've got the old apartments up there. Very nice. This view. Everyone dressed lovely today. Yes, a little restaurant here. Come and get some lunch with that view. Oh, the lovely cakes inside there, yeah. And then, they're really nice. It's that cheesecake as well. Homemade. I presume it's homemade. But yeah, all the way over there, you probably can't really pick it up, but all the way over there is Ishmala, where we was at the beginning of our trip. We've come up to here, Marmaris, and we've done a walk all the way around. That took ages because obviously we're recording, so that took a long time to record. You've got a taxi boat there, take you to Ishmala. But yeah, that walk to Ishmala, that took us, I think, about 2 hours because we did stop. Sabrina was doing restaurants, I was doing promenade. So I was done way before her because she went into most restaurants, give you the prices updates for 2025. Which you might see another one because everyone complained saying that it's no good giving you guys the prices in May because they're going to double the price for summer. So you're going to have to find out in that video if it has doubled for summer. But what a lovely day. So yeah, we had a good rest last night. Made sure we went to bed earlier, couldn't be arsed. Geordie bar. Everyone was happy, everyone was having a good time. Probably see input another couple of pictures right now so you can have a look at us having our shots and stuff like that. But yeah, I was a bit done. We went out in the day, met up with a subscriber. Was it Ben? I think it was Ben. Ben's not his real name now. Didn't want to give us his government name. But yeah, we had quite a few beers with him. We had a couple of beers on our own, and yeah. I was a bit done after that. Couldn't really be bothered to drink no more. Sometimes you just get done with it all. You're a bit like, that's enough. Especially when you're an all-inclusive, and that's basically all you've been doing for the whole time is drinking and eating. After a little while, you just be like, I'm done with alcohol. Have a bit of time off. So yeah, there's no boats and there's no prices, so unlucky. Right, so I'm going to catch you guys on the next one, yeah? It's Walkway Tours. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. It's the Marmaris series, so ring the notification so you get loads of our videos.